Okay guys, so basically we have to start pulling on this side, from the inside part basically of the car, and you will see a number of plugs, and then in the end on the other side, please keep that in mind, we've got a hook on this side. Obviously you should start from the other side, the removal, not from this one. When you guys do this procedure, some clips unfortunately may break. We have one broken one which was located right here, and if you take a look inside, the other white part is actually can be visible from here. So it's a good idea to have a set of extra clips when you guys do this procedure. Also, as you can see, some of these rubber gaskets got stuck to the frame, so you have to remove them and put them back on the good plugs. Again, in this case we only broke one, which is not too bad, but as I said, you should have a separate set of these plugs. And one more time I want to point out this hook on this side goes in there. So when you do the removal, again start from this side, because if you break it, it will be loose and you might end up getting this whole part. You repeat the process on the other side. Again, start from the inside. And in this case, it looks like we managed to save all of them, which is good. And again guys, if you need any of these, I'll try to leave you a link in the description for these plugs. Again, we have some of these washers still stuck to the frame. Put them on the plugs. The purpose of these is to prevent any rattling when this piece is attached to the vehicle, and I believe they're called anti-rattle washers. Now we will install this trim piece. First start from here, from the left. And now the left side, again, this end goes in first. Now you want to make sure that clips align with the openings. And then press